Welcome to Python 101 Part 8. I will talk about how to utilize a nested loop, how to create a matrix, how to read files. Before we dive into the content for people who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my video to encourage me to make more useful video for Python. Alright, let's dive into the lesson. Print function with extra parameter end can change the default line break to anything you like, example spacebar. How can we write a Fibonacci sequence like this for 6 rows using nested for loop? First declare sequence 1 and sequence 2 from 1 to 6. The sequence next plus equal sequence 1 plus sequence 2. Then print sequence 1 according to its values. Print sequence 2 according to its values, as well as sequence next. You get as follows. The nested loop in sorting algorithms. For applications, imagine you are playing cards and you want to sort all the number in ascending order. Then you can use a computer to do this for you. A bubble sort can be used to do this task such that algorithm use a nested loop. For bubble sort visualization, please check the link below, and for bubble sort code, check out my GitHub link below as well. Bubble sort, check how many elements in an array. First run check the whole list and put max value to the end of the list. Second run check the whole list except the last element, so on until first the checking get the sorting array. Let's check the bubble sort function. This is correct. How to write a matrix? We can represent matrix with list of list, and alternatively we can import numpy. See, matrix A is 3 by 3. First row is matrix 0. Second row is matrix 1 and third row is matrix 2. And now accessing second row and third columns matrix. And then we got 6. NumPy method. Import NumPy. Create an array list of 1 to 9. Then reshape the array to matrix 3 by 3. Create a swap rows matrix. Then multiply matrix. As you can see, this option is allow you to do the matrix multiplication. Question now is how to access all element in matrix A using a nested for loop. Iterate through row by for loop. The sub for loop will iterate through by columns. Then we access all the elements. Make a copy of a list. Copy list slicing list. These are shallow copy. So you see list A, then list B equal list A dot copy, list C equal list A slicing, list D equal list A. Shallow copy is only copy from a top level, so the nested lists are not copy. As we change element of list A to 1668, then the list B, list C, and list D also change as well, as we can see here. What about star? Create a list, create a matrix from the list, change an element from the list. The result change 3 elements because the pointer from the 3 element points to the same value. Solution deep copy will copy a complete separate values. First create a memory address to hold values in the list. Second, assign value to a memory address as in the for loop. Now change an element of the list to 33. Only one element change. Method 2 follow the same steps, but in the for loop we change to append method to append the element to the list. Reading from a text file. The easy way is to put a text file on the same Python script directory. Open the file and assign it to variable. print the variable. First type the file name. Open the file name as to f variable. Then read line from the f variable. Print the line temp. For second method, using .read to read the whole text. So this is the output for the whole text. Example, display this output. First we have 0 to 8. Iterate index from 0 to 8 and iterate from 0 to index and keep increment. Print the index. Then we got as follow. Thank you for listening to my Python 101 video. Please let me know in the comment what do you like about my video and what can I improve for my future video. Thank you so much for your support. Bye.